together today because guys, we successfully made the 10,000 collection.
Who would ever think that day would come?
Oh my goodness.
I remember when we did the 2000 collection, we were thinking this is insane. Like,
what's up, girls? What's poppin'? Namaste, creators. Welcome to the
Super Creators Assemble
show. We still haven't figured out the name, I guess, but we're going with that. So today we have a beautiful, beautiful panel, and I'm gonna start right over there.
Hi.
Hey!
On the other side.
Hello from the other. Okay. We have the beautiful.
Oh, you're not gonna
You're
say my
supposed to say
name.
your name now.
I can say my name.
Yes.
I am Kaina. Hello. And I've got my Simba and my Faithy, who,
Aww.
no matter where I go, they're always there.
Yeah.
So yeah, these are my bodyguards, my forever bodyguards.
Beautiful. And then we have next to her.
Janae.
Janae.
Otherwise known as Nene.
Nene, really? Wow. See, I'm learning so many things about everybody today.
We actually don't know each other.
Maybe we'll go get into detail about that part. Especially about Paulina.
And Janae, like, you want to tell the people more than just your name and your nickname, or?
What do I need to say?
Who are you? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like?
Anything about you, actually.
Can I have your number?
No, not
Are you
number.
single?
Shanae, if you have
The
to
people want
describe
to know.
yourself in 3 words, if you have to describe yourself in 3 words.
Oh yeah, to decide in 3 words, I would say loving, creative, and focused.
That's such an awkward question to answer, no? Like, say the 3 things that resembles you. Like,
I just picked random words, really.
I know
I could think of.
Well, I guess the main question that people will wonder is, are you single?
Am I single? What question is that?
Because people want to. People want
She
to.
chooses
I
not
think
to
we should
answer
move
that. She chooses
They want
not
to hit you
answer
up,
that.
no?
I'll put your number down.
Anybody who wants to hit this girl up, it's a beautiful young lady.
Okay, next on our beautiful panel today, we have Miss India. Woo-hoo-hoo. Worldwide.
Aditi, and like she said, I'm from India. India, here I am. I'm a
Why do
makeup
you
artist.
repeat what I told him already? He's supposed to say something else. But yeah, maybe you can describe yourself also in 3 words.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
That's a good
You
question.
just threw my ball on me.
Yeah.
I would say.
Nothing.
No, there's so much coming to my mind. And I thought,
Just say one thing,
no, because I'm honestly a very vibrant personality, but I do have my own split characters.
So much coming
Too
through.
much words.
So
Too
much.
much coming to my
Split
mind.
characters, right? Like
Yeah, but
Yeah,
3
that's
words.
true.
What's that?
3 words. Fun. Which doesn't look like so much fun right now. I would say focused, loyal, and if I have to do something, I just make sure that I cross all the limits, I don't know how to put it in one word, but then yeah. I'm very determined. Yeah, that's the word.
And what?
Determination.
Oh, determination.
Very good. Very
Determined, yeah.
good. Yay. Okay. So,
Okay, describe yourself in 3 words.
myself in 3 words. Honest, direct, and hella fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Probably. So now Kaina is the only one left. So let's
Yeah.
hear from her as well.
I guess.
I think we should let the comments decide what they think my 3 words are.
Smart.
The comments.
That's smart,
Let the
yeah.
comments.
Yeah, they
Let
can
the people
decide.
decide
That's
Okay.
nice.
what they think. Let
So
the
comment
comments
below.
go wild. Make sure to go wild, because if not, then it's really awkward.
So we come together today because guys, we successfully made the
Finished.
10,000 collection.
Who would ever think
Wow.
that day would come.
Oh my goodness.
I remember when we did the 2000 collection, we were thinking this is insane. Like, who takes 2000 pictures within 3 days? And here we are taking 10,000
Yeah.
pictures
Yeah.
in 9 days.
In 9 days,
In
and we
9 days,
planned for
yeah.
10 days.
Planned
Yeah.
for 10
that's
days.
really
So
And we did it in 9.
yeah, so proud of us. So proud.
Awesome.
Yes.
But actually, it was so crazy, to be honest. I was exhausted. I don't know about you guys,
Yeah.
but I was exhausted.
I don't know when everything just got over. I did not even it didn't hit me for some reason. I don't know why that happened, because maybe we were so used to going to the office and working and just rolling with the show every day that it sort of didn't hit me. It has not hit me yet that yes, we have done that, but the truth is we have done that.
But to be honest, I found that compared to the first weekend, the second one was like weird because
like a piece
it was
of cake, honestly.
it was
yeah.
like there was nothing going on in our minds, whereas the new models who didn't come the first time, they were like, oh my god, I'm so tired, I'm like exhausted, this
Yeah.
is crazy. And we were looking at them like, what do you mean?
Yeah, I
They-
remember.
the first time people were running up and down, there was
Yeah.
chaos, there was shouting, there was like, you came in with your dance breaks upstairs, and
Yeah.
the second one,
Yeah.
everybody was just like very chilled. There was like,
Right?
Very chill to us though,
Yeah.
because they
Chill
had
to
no
us,
clue.
yeah.
For them, it was like busy. It was like
Yeah.
crazy.
yeah.
But first, like,
I was just
oh,
like-
this is good.
a lot of them were actually overwhelmed.
I know,
during
yeah.
the second week, and
It's like, what if you came the first time around? Huh? What would that
Yeah.
happen?
Yeah.
There were quite a few tears in the second one. There was quite a few tears.
So bad.
No, because
Yeah.
they thought they could go overwhelmed, and
Yeah.
they.
But I guess that
Yeah.
shows how much it is about perspective.
yeah.
Because if they would have came to the first one, like even the models that came to the first one and then the second one, they were like, huh,
True.
I don't even is there a photo shoot going on right now? They didn't get it either, but it's all about perspective because they weren't there the first time around, so they couldn't imagine
Yes,
what that
Yeah.
was like.
absolutely.
I mean, honestly, I've had such amazing breakthroughs. I mean, obviously, it's so beautiful to be a part of this project and just seeing everything in front of your eyes. But the bonus was that I also got to learn so much, which I think I'm going to implement and going to keep with me all my life. So they were like such beautiful breakthroughs.
What
that
did
I've
you
had.
learn, Aditi?
So for example, like I shared on the last day as well that when we did 222 photos and we were like just celebrating it and we were just applauding ourselves and we were just telling that everyone that wow, we did in so many hours, we did 222 photos. But then actually as a human, when you start pushing yourself and when you know that you are limitless and you can go ahead and you can go beyond and you have it in you. I mean, we did like almost 1,300 photos in a day, which was insane,
that's
which was insane. And I would say it was possible all because of better planning, structure and everything, but also because we know that no, we can do more.
Yeah, that's true.
So
Because I mentioned like I was exhausted, but at the same time, you just push through. I don't know how I don't know like how you do. Like
Yeah.
I don't know, but
Yeah.
it's like this.
I think for me
True.
it was more to like I really wanted to see like the final results, so I just kept going, even though like you're like tired and exhausted.
Yeah.
So I was just like, no, I need to keep going because this is gonna be so good.
Yeah.
This is gonna be great at the end.
You can
So
see the end
yeah,
vision.
you can just see the vision.
Yeah.
I think when you connect to the vision and you know what it's gonna be like, or you've got an idea, it makes it so much more like gives you the drive and the determination to just keep going.
Yeah,
And that's what makes it quite beautiful.
and also when you're just focused on your next step, but not that when are you going to finish this, when is it going to get over, when you're just focused on your next step, like next model, next, so that was also like at the end of the day you were like, oh wow, you actually finished, you met the targets. So that's also so beautiful.
So Janae, you were downstairs, right? Meaning you were with Hero, who's the
Yes.
photographer of the shoe of the collection. Actually, how was it to be downstairs? Like, tell us.
I'm laughing because I'm like, which story do I tell? Which one do I tell from
Spill the tea,
downstairs?
girl.
You know? Because there were like quite like really nice parts, like fun as well. We had quite like banter downstairs as well, and I think that's why it's really good about
Banter?
the team. Like
Banter.
we're having banter,
Having jokes.
Banter.
It's a
I don't
British.
understand you guys.
Oh, it is. It's a
Banter.
British thing. Having jokes, banter.
you.
So there's a lot of banter happening, but we were still pushing and going
Yeah,
really
yeah.
hard. So there was that side, but at the same time there was this side where you had to be quite serious and quite focused and just make sure that everyone were playing their part and sort of make sure that things were running smoothly and that, you know, accordingly. So we need to keep that pace. There was a certain pace that we needed to maintain downstairs and make sure that, you know, that pace was always going quite smoothly, basically, to keep up the numbers of photos that we needed to be taken per day. So we hit that target every single day. We like target, which was pretty amazing. But yeah, I love being downstairs.
Now I can see how focused you're. Target.
I just kept like next, like I thought it was beautiful because once you get into it, it's just like
it's
for me
fun.
it was like a routine. Yeah,
It's
and
like you're playing a game.
Yeah, it becomes fun, and then you know your moments. You can have that little jerk, but you just keep pushing. It's quite beautiful, hard work at the same time. But yeah.
And you know what I love the most? Everybody was actually checking on each other. Like every time I'm seeing you, or if, for example, if I'm seeing Lynn after a very long time, we are like, "Are you okay? Is everything okay? How you're feeling?" So I was like, okay. At the in our mind, we all know that, you know, we all are pushing ourselves, and we all are actually exhausted. But still, there's that love, care, and concern. Was
Definitely.
there.
And I think people can't even imagine, because they hear us talking right now. Well, people who are watching this now, they're like, okay, whatever. But like, it's taking pictures and then having in mind that each picture has to look the same. It has to have the same position. There are accessories.
Yeah.
Did I say the right word? Okay, perfect. There is clothes that has to be put on, put off, and all makeup has to be adjusted every time. I mean, Aditi was doing the makeup, right? And you know what I'm talking about. So it is crazy. I think that's why there is no other human NFT out there, because it's so much hard work to do that. And I'm so proud that we just, you know, we went for it and we did it. And I'm so excited for the next collection. Coming out soon.
Next collection, there's so many still in store. There's already 2 on the planning list to come. I don't know if we're gonna spill any secrets on that yet. Maybe we'll keep it a secret for a moment. But yeah.
So Aditi, we're doing makeup. Tell us about it.
So well, I was partially
so
I
funny.
was doing makeup, and partially I was doing a lot of other things. I think we all were doing everything, and that is really amazing. Because we all, I felt, stepped out of our comfort zones, and we all took the charge that no, it is because we all have given our heart and soul to the project, I would say. So we all were taking the charge, which is really amazing.
But you had a really fantastic makeup artist.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So partially I was doing makeup, but then of course we have had this beautiful team of makeup artists who took over, who was majorly they were doing
Shout out to
part.
Vanessa and Eileen.
Yeah.
Love Vanessa and Eileen.
If you girls are watching, come back.
Yes, come back.
But it's amazing, you know, because I always enjoy doing makeup, because I can see the difference when girls are like, oh wow, after the final this thing, and I feel that makeup is really empowering, and it gives that confidence to all the girls and women out there. So I just wait for their last reaction. So that is like my personal thing. And yeah, I always enjoy doing makeup. And of course, there were so many things. We had to give them a lot of tips, because not everybody was a professional model, and not everybody knew how to, you know, make their makeup last for a very, very long day. So we had to share like a lot of tips and tricks. And I mean, every time they were having water, tea, coffee, they were like, oh, can you touch up my lipstick? And I was like, okay. I mean, but you are like six of you, and still we have to do touch up after every, because we were like very, very quick with all the changes. So obviously it spoils your makeup. But the models were very good, very, very good. Everyone.
Yeah. No, I really appreciate our community like so much.
Yeah.
Like for them coming over and doing the shoot with us. It's like a beautiful thing. Like so many women come together. We had dance breaks.
Oh,
We had
wow.
beautiful gratitude sessions. We had even people going woo woo and doing tarot card readings. All of that
wow.
stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Like, and I saw like how much, you know, how supportive they are. Like when there was somebody actually crying, because it was long hours, you know. It's definitely something like that can happen. And then you could see somebody came and was like supportive of them, like, you can talk to me all the time, come back. So it's a very nice experience to come together with people that are like-minded and just want to share that message of love, positivity, and help each other, you know, and create something so beautiful. So I think that's the most important thing when it comes to this whole, because we're making jokes and all of that stuff, but when it comes to going deeper in that, that's actually why we're doing this. So
and it really reflects with the project Women United. So to see everyone come along and work together, and like you said, people from all over the world traveling and flying.
There were people coming from Miami, from Canada.
I know.
I don't know where else.
Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast, right? Mexico. I was like, what? And then they're like, I'm staying for 4 days. I was like, you came 4 days? Like,
4 days.
Like from Mexico.
You not even get over the jet lag. I mean, 4
They
days.
didn't even have time to rest anything. No, straight into the shoot and then adjust to this time. And then I was just, this is impressive.
That's mind blowing. Yeah.
So I'm really grateful for this community. Really, really grateful. Yeah. And I think
excited for the collection to launch.
Oh yeah, and they are really excited too.
They are excited too.
They're very excited.
Yesterday I talked to some of the girls and I was like, because they said I don't have a Woman and Unite NFT token yet. I was like, you can grab yourself. I'm so ready. It's coming. So I was like, oh yeah, that's gonna be exciting. Yeah, I think I remember like how it was for me to see myself on on the OpenSea and see my token and people buying it.
Wow.
And now for them to see that. It's amazing.
It's a weird feeling.
It's a weird feeling, yeah.
Like you don't know that feeling until it happens, and then you're like, wait, what? I'm there. People want me. People want to buy me and trading me, and they're actually like all trying to fight over that picture of you. It's like crazy.
It's crazy.
Insane feeling. But at the same time, you know that by doing that and them trading you, they get more abundant and they are able to pay their bills. They are able to get out of the situation that they were stuck in. It's overwhelming, crazy feeling of
in those moments actually you feel that all your hard work is paid off.
Like there was a purpose behind it. Behind
empowering
all of it.
other people.
I think the biggest thing is, guys, if you haven't checked out yet, actually on OpenSea, the silver pass and the gold pass gets free minting for the next collection.
Ooh.
which means you don't pay anything for the next token. Okay?
Yeah.
Incredible. So get yourself on OpenSea, check it out. It's Women Unite. Make sure to have the right Women Unite, because there are a lot of scams out there. Other than that, I think for today, it was beautiful to share the space with you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to follow us on Discord. Join us on Discord. Then you'll be able to chat with us. You'll be able to know how you can get whitelisted for the next collection. Any other information and updates will be shared on Discord. So it's going to be the first link in the description box. Also, make sure to follow us on Twitter. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel and to get new updates on whenever we post a new video, and we hold you accountable for today. No, not for the day. For the rest of the year.
Let's keep that straight.
Thank you so much, everyone. Oh, and make sure to comment and like.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Just bye.
Just bye. I'm done.
Peace.
It's so funny. I practiced my ending. I came to the ending. I was like,
what was the ending?
what was the
Oh,
ending?
it was good.
So
It was
bad.
okay.
Make sure I do it again. The ending.
It's fine.